weird sound with the Delica. It's kind of a weird whining sound. It's only when we accelerate that it starts to break up when it's on hills, so it's kind of weird.